Hello guys, and welcome to today's quick video on rationalizing surds. So to rationalize a surd in form a of root b, which is not rational because there is not an integer as the denominator, but we times by root b over root b, it's times the numerator and denominator by the same term, and you get a root b over b. So rationalizing, you usually have 4 over root 5, and times it by root 5 over root 5 to get 4 root 5 over 5. Got 6 over root 10 times that by root 10 over root 10 to get 6 root 10 over 10. So now we have some example questions. Feel free to pause and have a go yourself when we go through the questions in 3, 2, 1. So these questions are quite similar to the examples. So we have 7 over root 3 times by root 3 over root 3 to get 7 root 3 over 3. And 7 over minus root 3, which is going to be the same as minus 7 over root 3, then times 7 over minus root 5 equals minus 7 over root 5, and we get minus 7 root 5 over 5. And the third one is basically exactly the same as the other two, but maybe more unusual numbers there. And the challenge question, you had to simplify first. It's always best to simplify first. Look at the simplify for that questions. So I've got 82 over root 8, which is 82 over 2 root 2, because root 8 is 2 root 2, as you see there. And that in the end we get 41 root 2 over 2. Okay, but the thing to remember is that in exam scenarios, most of the time surds will be presented in that way, and they'll be presented in a form C plus root B or C minus root B. So in this example, we have C plus root B, it could be either or. So in this scenario, we have to multiply the conjugate. So the conjugate is the same as the original, except the sign changes, and the sign only changes in front of the surd, and this is because similar to competing multiplying square, difference of 2 squares, we eliminate the surd term in the form of expansion. As you can see at the bottom, we get c squared plus c root b minus c root b minus root b minus the square root of b squared, which is b. So you get minus c squared minus b as the final one, final simplified term to get rid of the surds, which is what we want in order to rationalize the denominator. So you have some questions here. Going to go through in 3, 2, 1 for me to pause. And yes, we have 8 over 4 minus root 2 times by 4 plus root 2 over 4 plus root 2. And in the end, after all the working out, is simplification there. And then at the end, we also divide by 2 to get it in simplest form. We get 16 plus 4 root 2 over 7. So make sure if there's it in simplest form, you always remember to check if you can simplify it further once you rationalize. And the second one there is quite the same as the other one. Not really much new to go through there. Question 3 has been omitted, and now we have a challenge. So we have to obviously just simplifying all of these here, and then you get minus root 13 and minus 13 times it by 2 root 2 plus 2. Same things we've been doing before, and at the end we get 13 root 2 minus 26 minus 13 minus root 13, which is just can't see it there. And yeah, and so that'll be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And it was a quick video, but feel free to watch it over again. All the explanation and the everything is there. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.